A new day starts and I'm ready to face new challenges. A lot of things to do and little time to waste. However, there is always something that can complicate your day. Something like your shoe heels getting damaged or dirty while driving. Happily, I found a practical solution to this, the perfect solution. Forget about driving with a spare pair of shoes or covering the car floor with a cloth and driving barefoot instead? No way! The new protective covers for shoe heels, Satcha Easy Day, are the easiest way to protect your shoes when driving, so that they don't get dirty or damaged and last much longer. They work with different kinds and sizes of heels, plus they are environmentally friendly. With the new protective covers, Satcha Easy Day, your shoes will always look new. Try them!